Very good evening, student. Very good evening, students. Today we'll discuss about question number 9 of exercise 2.2. Learning question. You can see here, I'm zooming it out. The ages of Rahul, Harun are the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, some of their ages will be 56 years. What are the present ages? We have to calculate. So देखो जो भी दे रखा है क्वेश्चंस में, फर्स्ट ऑफ you will note down just given the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio. क्या दे रखा है students? You can see here. I'm showing it to you. You can see there are the ratio 5:7, and what are the ages? 56. Means 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56. Means after 4 years जो रेशियो में दे रखा है 5:7, आफ्टर 4 years क्या हो जाएगा, दोनों का समीशन जो होगा एज का, दैट विल बी 56. लेट अस गेट बैक टू द सॉल्यूशन. सो हियर इज द सॉल्यूशन. यू कैन सी हियर व्हाट इज द थिंग. Yes, you can see here 5x and 7x is given. You can see here stepwise calculations. Next, see here. Next here 5x means what is given, the ratio. First of all we will make the ratio that first का ratio क्या दे रखा है, राहुल का ratio क्या हो जाएगा, राहुल का ratio will be 5x. And what is the ratio of Harun? Harun का ratio will be 7x. Next, see what we will do, we will just add, like after 4 years the ages of Rahul will become 5x plus 4, and after the 4 years the ages will become, wait for a while, yes, here this thing. So you can see here after 4 years what will be the ages after 4 years. Yes, after 4 years the Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4 and Harun's will be 7x plus 4. Harun's. Next, see here what will happen, दोनों को आप क्या करोगे, समेशन ऐड कर दोगे. You will just add, that is 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, and the whole summation will get 56. Next, see what will happen, 5x plus 7x will gives rise to what, 5 plus 7 will give rise to 12, and 4 plus 4 will give rise to 8 as well. Next, you can see here 12x plus 8 will give rise to what, 8 क्या कर रहा है बेसिकली LHS साइड में, it is adding. On the RHS side it will go, it will just what, it will subtract, and we will get 56 minus 8, we will get the value 48. Now next, see what we will do in the next step. I am showing you the steps. These are the steps are involved. So you can see here what is the next step. You can see here what will the value you will getting. So 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48, and we will get the value x equal to 4. Now individually we will follow the values, we will find the values, that is 5x preceding we will get 5 into 4, we will get the value 20 of the Rahul's age, and now in the terms of Harun's age, 7 into 4 we will get the values 28. So hope so you have understood, students. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask me in the comment section or in the class as well. So thank you for taking part.